Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to improve quality of low resolution image. Okay, I'm opening my computer and opening downloads folder. You can see there is a logo and opening properties. Then see the details. You can see there is the dimension of the resolution of this image is uh, 567 to 547. Okay, just open this picture. You can see it is low quality and those colors, and there is grains. Something is not a good quality. You can easily upgrade this image to a better quality image by using a website. Okay, we are just minimizing this folder and put aside. Opening my Chrome, and we are opening a website named as AI Image Upscaler. This one. This URL is IMG Upscale. IMG UP SCA Scale. SCALER. Normally it is called IMG Upscaler. Okay, just we are selecting that folder and select your file, then just drag it to this option. After dragging that image, we are clicking here, just this button, start button. Our picture size is 30 KB and image is processing. You can only upscale 5 images from this website for free. A picture is working, just wait for it. And okay, we have successfully upscaled that image. Click this download. Okay, see how much different is those photos. Right click, save image to this download folder. This is our normal picture is here. See, the AI worked for better quality and better size. We are uploaded this file with size of 30 KB and resolution, I mean dimension of that picture is 567 into 547. We are upload this picture and we get a better quality picture with a better dimension. Right click, properties, details. You can see this is the difference between those files. We upload this one, we get this one, and also file size is increased to 30 KB. The older file size is 30 KB, new file size is 887 KB. So you can use this website for converting files. You can convert up to 5 files for free. After, if you want to use this website, you can pay money or any subscription. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.